characteristic and mantissa. Yes, here logarithm a special part in which you have to learn some basics and also a question of JW. So how can we read this part? इसे हम कैसे पढ़ते हैं? तो कैसे पढ़ते हैं? log of n to base 10 is equals to x. Log of n base 10 equals to x. Here it is called base and this part is called argument and this part is called answer, that outcome maybe. Okay, now see here x have two part. First integral part and second decimal part. Integral plus decimal. Decimal part is also called fraction part. It means, for example, look here, log 345 to base 10 is equals to 2.5378, where 2 is called integral part and 0.5378 is called decimal part. Okay, now see here decimal must be in between or it's equals to 0 or less than 1. It's never equals to 1 or greater than 1. Now question is find n. What? Find n if characteristic of log of n to base 5 is 3. So question is given here, log n base 5 is equals to 3, but 3 is what? 3 is a characteristic, not a mantissa. So you have to find n. आपको n की वैल्यू ढूंढना है. So how can we? Let's start. जो log of n to base 5 की वैल्यू जो है वो 3 और 4 के बीच में रहेगी, ये है कंफर्म है. तो हम क्या करेंगे? log 5 n is greater than equals to 3 and less than equals to 4. Now see, if is there any log problem, how can we solve? 5 ऊपर आ जाता है, n यहाँ आ जाता है और 4 पावर में चला जाता है. ओके, इसको हम इस तरीके से बदल सकते हैं. log का मतलब ही ये होता है कि पावर में क्या आएगा. तो इसको हम इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं. तो सी n 5 raised to the power 4 and here 5 raised to the power 3. Now 5 to the power 3, 5 raised to the power 3, that is 125, and 5 raised to the power 4, 625. Now the range is 625 minus 125, so answer is 0, 0, 5. So there are 500 possible outcomes of n. 500 से ज़्यादा 500 वैल्यूज आ सकती है n की जगह अलग अलग. तो n की वैल्यू रेंज में आएगी जो कि कितने किसके और किसके बीच में है? 125 क्लोज ब्रैकेट and 625 open bracket and number of outcomes 500. Thank you.